So in the previous video, I was explaining about artificial intelligence, and mainly we were seeing one example like how to train a model. So yesterday, in the previous video we were saying when we give a data along with the algorithm, we make the machines intelligent. So I want to show you an example. So Google has introduced this small project for kids, especially for kids, so that they can learn how to train model with the data. So this is the Teachable mission. I will share you the link in the description. So what this project does is it gives three input sources. So first is for image based, second is audio based, and third is based on images. So what is the difference between the first and the last one is this is from a webcam and this is from uploaded photos. So and also like the last one can be based on like multiple points, as you can see in this image. So first I will explain this image project so that you will get a basic understanding how to work with the audio as well as with the other one. So when I take a image, so for example, if I want to classify an object based on the image, if it is a cat or a dog, I upload. So this is how when I click this image project, so when I click this image project, right? So when I click this, image project, it will go to this screen, and here there are like two classes. So class 1 is for so if we want to find what is a dog and what is a cat, in class 1 I can upload the photos of cat, and in class 2 I can upload the photos of dog. So like that, when I try to upload and click this train model, right? First here when I try to upload cat photos, and in class 2 I try to upload dog photos. Okay, so basically what I have to find is when after training this model, when I show a picture to this model, it has to identify whether it is a cat or a dog. So that is the expected output here. Okay, so after uploading this, so one thing you have to understand is the more and more the data you give, right, whether it is a cat or a dog, the more the photos you upload, the more the data given as a sample, the model will be more accurate. Okay, so in where there is 5 to 10 instead of 100, when you upload 100, the model will be more accurate in finding the output, but when you provide less data, it will be less accurate. So these are directly proportional. Okay, so whenever you are training the model, try to add more sample data that makes the model more accurate. Okay, so so another thing is like you have an option to add other class. So you can click this button, and you can add how many ever classes you want. And the second stage is where we have to train this model. Okay, so we have to just click this button. So there will be a button, and we have to just click this button so that it will take all the samples, and it will be here it will be analyzing the data in the training model section. So once the training model is completed, we can see the output here. Okay, so here if I show an image of a cat, the output will be cat, and if I show the image of the dog, and it will show the output as a dog. So that is how we make the machines intelligent. They will identify and decide whether it is a cat or a dog based on the data which we have supplied. So for this, as a real-time example, I will open my browser and I will show you. Okay, so this is the project. So here if I click this image, so I will get the standard image model. We can just go ahead and make sure your web camera is on. So now I'm not going to upload any photos. I'm going to use this webcam. Okay, and I'm going to show you. So I'm going to add a class 1 as a smiley face. Okay, smiley face, and class 2 as a sad face. Okay, so here we can just go and click this edit button and we can give the name of the class. So second, I open the webcam and I have enabled the webcam. If you can see, my webcam is enabled. Just you have to click this button to record. Okay, I just click this hold to button record. So how much ever we hold, that much images will be captured in the right hand side. So I try to hold now. So I'll give a smiley face here. Okay, okay, so if you see, when I try to hold it, these many images were captured. Okay, all are smiling faces in different dimensions. So I have given, these are my sample data for class 1. And next I go to class 2. Okay, so class 2 is a sad face. So next I open this and I try to hold. And I try to capture. Okay, so yeah, I think that is done. So I have captured both smiley face and sad face. So sorry if if my face was bad in the sad face. Just for an example, I had captured the live my one. So here we have captured 2 different classes, as you can see, right? So next I am going to train this model. So I click this train model. So see, it is preparing to fetching the data, and so it will take some time. Okay, to train the model, it will take some time. So once it is done, I will let you know. Okay, yeah, so now we are here. Okay, so if you can see, this is how the output. Now my model has been trained based on 2 inputs. So sad, smiley and sad face. So now if I'm so if you can see, smiley face is 100% and sad face is 0. So now I'll try to smile. If you see, smiley faces are about like 100%, right? Then I give a sad face. Okay, now if you can see that it was showing sad face, right? That is how our missions are getting more intelligent by the sample data provided by us. Now I'll go back to our PPT. Yeah, so this is what I wanted to show you guys in this video. You can also try, and there are like different options. So as you know, like we have image based and we have audio based. We can show our we can record our audio, and when we try to upload it, it will find the audio difference and it will give the desired output whichever we want. And this we can pose some action and it will like clapping or hands raise up. So the points it will capture, and whichever is the output given, it will give the desired output. So this is how we train our model. So this is just a small example which Google has given us, so that we can try it, and we can this is just a small example, like how we can give the data and how we can train the model to get the desired output. But we can start building big models, yes, in the future. Yes, surely I will be there with you guys to teach you and to train you in learning artificial intelligence basics. Yeah, and hope you have understood this video. Yeah, see you in the next video. Thank you.